The law was written subsequent to a balcony collapse in 2015 in Berkeley.
Okay.
6 kids lost their lives.
Oh, I remember this now, yes.
Terrifying.
Yes.
The spirit of the law, and we get frustrated because there's so many new laws that come on the books all the time. And this law was written in the spirit of keeping humans safe.
Okay.
At first, I'm a property owner, I have an investment property, and you're like, I have to spend more money to maintain these properties. The law itself is keeping the balcony safe for tenants. SB721 applies to property managers and multifamily buildings. SB326 is for condominiums. SB326, the deadline is January 1st. We go out there, we inspect the property, we inspect the balconies. The trick is, it's not the open frame decking that's challenging. We wrap things in stucco in California. We do that in Florida also.
Yeah.
It's pretty. I'm from New York City. Things they're made of concrete and metal, steel.
Yeah, I'm from Chicago, same type of thing. Yeah.
Open frame. So we wrap everything in stucco. Well, the stucco creates a microclimate. So that balcony that collapsed in Berkeley in 2015, that building was 9 years old. People envisioned a 100-year-old rotted building. The property was 9 years old. It was on the southern exposure of the building, and it accelerated the damage. There was dry rot in there that no one can see. So really, was anyone at fault? I don't think so. You couldn't tell there was something going on. So this law is going to be active for condominiums. January 1st, we go out, we do the inspection, we identify if there's problems or not, and we can give them a bid to repair it.
Fantastic. Good Life, they got you covered.
Yeah, there it is.
There's all that information, goodlifegroup.com. I know lots more with winter coming up. There's other things to talk about. You guys just got to come back. You got to come